Welcome to the future of fashion. Can you believe these vast pineapple fields hold the secret to a revolution that saves our planet from waste? After every harvest, millions of tons of sharp, prickly pineapple leaves are left to rot or burn, creating a massive paradox in modern agriculture. Why do we waste this incredible raw material every year when we could be turning these humble agricultural leftovers into something as valuable as gold? Today, we reveal the hidden journey of how this discarded leaf transforms into a premium fashion accessory through the magic of sustainable innovation and design. Join me as we explore the incredible process of creating plant-based leather that is changing the way the world thinks about luxury and environmental responsibility. The first step is mechanical extraction. This machine strips away the green chlorophyll, leaving behind the strong, white core fibers that form our base. These fibers are remarkably strong and flexible, possessing natural qualities that rival the finest textile materials used in the high-end garment industry today. Natural sunlight plays a vital role here. We dry the fibers on bamboo racks, letting the air naturally prepare them for the next high-tech stage. Look at that texture. It is incredible how something so tough and sharp can be refined into such a soft, cloud-like material through simple processing. Despite their delicate appearance, these pineapple fibers are incredibly durable, providing the structural integrity needed to create long-lasting, high-quality products for conscious consumers. Now we enter the lab. Here, biotechnology takes over as we use specialized microbial processes to soften the fibers and enhance their natural cellular bonds. Science allows us to optimize the chemical structure of the cellulose, ensuring that the final material is as resilient and supple as traditional animal leather. Here is a fascinating fact. While paper can only be recycled 5 to 7 times, these plant fibers maintain their structural integrity much longer in cycles. By studying the fibers at a microscopic level, we can ensure every batch meets the high standards required for the international luxury fashion market's demands. This durability is key to the circular economy. We are not just making a product, we are ensuring its long life and minimal environmental footprint worldwide. With the fibers perfected, it is time to head to the main production floor where the real physical transformation into leather-like sheets finally begins today. This is where the magic of pressure and heat happens. Huge industrial presses are used to fuse the fiber layers into solid, uniform sheets of material. Under intense heat and tons of pressure, the fibers interlock permanently. You can see the steam rising as the moisture is removed, sealing the bond. Look at that incredible change. The flat fibers have been transformed into a sophisticated surface that looks and feels exactly like high-end, premium animal leather. To ensure longevity, a robotic arm applies a specialized protective coating derived from natural resins, giving the material a beautiful glow and water-resistant properties. This bio-based finish is the final touch, providing the luxury aesthetic and durability that consumers expect from top-tier fashion brands around the entire globe. Quality control is essential. Each sheet is manually inspected to ensure the texture is perfectly smooth, soft, and ready for the master craftsman to use. We have achieved the impossible, a material that is completely animal-free, yet offers the same level of luxury, softness, and elegance as the traditional alternatives. From the farm to the showroom, these products represent a new era of style. Every stitch tells a story of innovation and respect for our environment. Available in a variety of vibrant, natural colors, this sustainable leather is proving that ethical fashion can be just as colorful and exciting as mainstream luxury. When customers feel the quality for themselves, they are amazed. It is hard to believe that this luxurious bag started its life as a discarded leaf. People are choosing to buy with purpose. Every purchase supports a cleaner planet and helps turn agricultural waste into a valuable resource for a better future. This is a truly closed-loop journey. From the farmer's hands to your doorstep, nothing is wasted, and every step is designed to protect our precious world. As the sun sets on another harvest, we see new life beginning. We have the power to transform how we use the Earth's limited natural resources. Thank you for joining us on this sustainable journey. Together, let us choose responsibly and turn waste into value to protect our beautiful green planet forever.